tell what it was. It wasn't no damn clothesline, but he's got it right at the end of his dock. It looks approachable by boat, but unfortunately I don't own a boat, so visually I haven't put my eyes on him.
See, then I like to get you involved in it, and I like to say,
I bought it my neighbor. I bought it 6.6.
Maps and the date I think I put was about a month ago, and you can see the beam clear. But the one that's
Negative contact on my neighbor 6.6. I'm 10.6.
This new smartphone of mine is fucking excellent, man. I could be a whole private investigator with just nothing but my smartphone.
A 185, you showing up in Colorado? A 185 Boston, 808 Rocky Mountains.
I scoped out the area and who owns what houses, you know, according to the names that were given, and I got, you know, it's not in his name,
That's rough and tough. Negative contact, 185 in Boston.
He's got a beam and he knows how to use it. 185, try it one more time, bomb.
All right, 185, it's rough and tough in the Rockies, 185 in Boston, 808 in the Rockies.
Now, bring me some beer. This little mobile. And the forward.
All right, 185, man. Everyone's, they're ordering beer out on this channel there. I'll see a 185, 808 gone.
I'm going to put my 6-bar two-wheel drive underneath there.
Nothing but a 4x4 in the snow.
How about? Yeah, we're in the sand down here in the sand pile. We get stuck in the sand. If you're stuck up there in the snow, I feel bad for you. You better save some energy and get that thing out.
No, my tires don't spin too much, man. We just go nice and slow. Have a good around the sand pile. 808 Colorado Springs in the Mobile.
I was out there in the Springs in the Mobile. I didn't get it all, but I heard most of what you said. 217 Wolverine, Cocoa Beach, letting you know.
All right, 217 Wolverine, Cocoa Beach. I got it all. You looking good? Wolverine, 808 Rocky Mountains.
Wolverine, where you at, Wolverine?
I'm one to the side. I got a local deck here playing some music, so I'm going to let him do his thing, let him play his game, and I guess everybody's got their hobby. 217 Wolverine said it. I'm making some noise right by here. Cocoa Beach just got down.
All right, 217, man, Wolverine. They got to do what they got to do sometimes. 217 Wolverine, 808 Rocky Mountains on the side.
Roger that, out there in the Rocky Mountains. I'm going to get back to the side and read this mail, and I wish I was in Colorado right now.
Yeah, it's almost 420 over here.
We already passed 420, but it's 420 in my radio room all the time.
Check. All right, man. I got to wait till I get home. I'll see you.
See ya.
Damn, Wolverine, shut up. You never shut up.
You saw me out there, Captain Canadian.
Not out there. I am. Uh-oh. Ding, 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 ding.
No, it's just got such a big antenna. All he's got is receive from long ways away.
No, I got a good receive too. I got transmit and receive. 10-4.
Come on, 808. Yeah, I've got this omnidirectional Miko V5000, so this guy points his beam at me and he'll wipes me out just like it does anywhere else. So, but he's doing low power tonight. I guess he realized he can't keep doing it all day, all night, and blow something up. So, I guess everybody's got their hobby.
Thank goodness I got no neighbors on this hilltop.
Yeah, I wish I had a hilltop, and you know, damn, that's the right spot too. You sound a lot better. What are you climbing it?
No, we're parked, man. I'm at 7,000 feet. I live on the northeast side of Colorado Springs, around Black Forest, 10-4.
Roger that. For a second there, you were getting over them like a local. You were giving me about 20 pounds, and all of a sudden it went back down again. But I guess that's Mother Nature letting us all know that she's in charge. Definitely appreciate you letting me know I'm making a trip. But, yeah, I guess he's turning his beam or pumping it up. Conditions are changing. 217 Wolverine back on the side.
All right, 217. I'm 10-6.
How about that 808? 243 here in Cocoa Beach waving.
All right, 243. I heard you earlier, but man, Wolverine's got a mean hammer. 243 in Cocoa Beach, 808. Back to you.
Right, yeah, I'm just running this little hot dog garage station here. He got a little bit more than I do, but that's okay. Come on,
All right, man. I'm just in a mobile on a hilltop, so if I get out, I'm just happy. If I get out past the neighborhood, I'm out.
Music over here. Glenn Campbell, Rhinestone Cowboy. What do you think, 808?
I don't know, man. We got a lot of snow, and I'm watching it melt. 10-4.
It's not like I want to listen to it, but what choice do I have? Especially Glenn Campbell. You come down to my neighborhood there, 808, and melt some snow, would you?
Yeah, okay. I was listening to the Rhinestone Cowboy, and you keyed over him.
That was a great double kick.
Yeah, he's got a beam pointed right at me because he's one of those, what do you call, homosexuals. I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anybody that is, but he's one of them, and he's trying to convert other people. I like women, and I'll never change.
Okay, 808. If he's pointing it at 217, it's pointed my way too.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I don't play that stuff anymore. Maybe back in the 70s when I first started, but I outgrew playing music on the radio. 10-4.
Nah, I hear you, man. I hear you. Oh, well, we gotta deal with it. He's gonna play his games. That's okay. I can turn the linear on.
Yeah, just as long as you can talk skip and it doesn't affect you, it don't matter.
This is true. This is very true. I'm hearing you just fine.
That's all that matters. All right, have a good day. We're gonna go swing around the band, see what's going on. I'm 10-7.
Alright, 808, have yourself a fine one out here in Colorado. 243, set it here in Cocoa Beach, Florida.
Bye, 243. I'm gone.
I bet you got a beam pointed at 808 is why you can hear him, and you get in the backside of the beam on that rhinestone stuff.
No, I'm out here in the garage on the Mako.
Yeah, I hear a little bit of it, but he kind of jumped up, so maybe he is turning the house around. I'm not sure.
I don't know. I need to put a big old sheet of aluminum foil towards the area that I don't want to hear anymore, hanging in the tree or something.
That's because I got a probably a 600 watt linear. I'm